Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I want to teach you the very handy technique of working a standing double crochet. Let's go. All right, let's talk about what supplies you're going to need for this tutorial. You can pick any weight yarn. I have picked Wool Spun by Lion Brand. This is actually a discontinued yarn, but it's one of my favorites. It's a nice plush, bulky weight yarn. And then you'll just also need a matching hook. This can be whatever hook size you prefer to work with the weight of yarn that you're using. Remember, we're just practicing here, so this combination doesn't have to be perfect. The last supply that you're going to need for this tutorial is just a little swatch. You just want something to be able to hold on to work your standing double crochet on top of. I just did 5 stitches and I just worked some single crochet rows. So once you've got a little base to work onto, we're ready to dive right into our tutorial. All right, we're going to work our standing double crochet at the beginning of our row. So what we're going to do that is chain 1, turn our work, and then we're going to work a single crochet into the first stitch. Make sure that if you're a person who pulls that first loop nice and tight, that you're going to want to lift that to the height of the loop that's already on your hook. It's just something to be a little conscientious of when you're doing standing stitches. Otherwise, your height might get squished down a little too much and it won't be quite as effective. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to insert our hook into the left leg of our single crochet stitch. So that loop that we pulled up nice and high. Here's our right leg and our left leg. We're going to go under the left leg and we're going to work another single crochet. Again, making sure we're pulling this loop up nice and tall. And you can see how that gets us some nice height and fills in that stitch. Then you can continue just working double crochets or whatever stitch pattern you are working in across your row. And then let's go ahead and work that standing double crochet one more time. We're going to chain 1, turn our work into our very first stitch, a single crochet pulling that first loop up nice and high. We have the right and the left leg of our single crochet stitch. We're going to work into the left leg, pull up another loop nice and high, and pull through that one to get us our height. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like to work back into a standing double crochet. So I'm going to work my double crochet stitches back across my fabric here. I only had 5 stitches total, so that's not hard to do. And now you can see that our standing double crochet kind of has 2 V's here that look like something you could stitch into. We're only going to stitch into the top one. If that's something you have a hard time seeing, go ahead and place a stitch marker on your standing double crochet. That'll help you keep track of it so that you don't end up adding stitches as you're working with this. Such a handy little tool to have in your pocket to make your crocheted fabric exactly how you want it to look. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you would like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I don't want you to miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until I see you next time, happy crafting!